Just gonna, yeah, got the red dot. Okay, cool. Alright, gang. It's me, and we're working on something real special today. Turkey-torial. The Turk-torial, for sure. I got me a Ferndale bird, about 14.5 pounds. We've had it thawing since Friday. Now, we're going to get down to the nitty gritty. You should pat it down always, you know, make sure that it's nice and dry. I haven't done, but I just want to get this over with, you know. It's a long process. So we'll start by just getting in there. Just get down there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Can't get much better than that. Wow. This was always this easy. Oh. Damn. I tell you, that's the easiest turkey I ever did. And I've done like 6 this year. Fucking hey. Oh. Okay, don't do that. Okay? Terrible idea. Oh, fucker. Yeah. You can see those bones are sharp, gang. So be careful. Don't think you're fucking Rambo here with these, you know? It's not a good idea. That final part, oh yeah, it's always a stinker. But once you got that, you know, once you got that there, you know, you're good to go. Now all you gotta do, this is the hard part, alright, gang? Check it out. Now, fuck, I don't like this, number one. It's a big ass bone, that shit, it looks like Trauma City. So, I'm going to try to maneuver him out of there, you know. Fuck. I think I hit spine.
Nice.
Oh. Yeah. Whatever. We're going to move past it. I can't do anything with that. Wow. Now, each bird has their own challenges, for sure. This one has proved to be an interesting one. But we're not giving up here. I really want this out of here. I might not be able to get it out. I need that surface area to cut the breastplate. Yeah. See, this never happened before. And I'm getting cut by bones and I don't like it. You know? Okay, there you go. You really gotta put some force in that. You don't. Oh yeah. Oh, I mean, it's not the best that I've done. That's like 6 out of 10, to be honest. Look at this shit, it's still frozen. You can tell. You know, I've made a lot of mistakes, but whatever. Hard part's over. And here's the deal. I keep the wings on there, gang. Because here's what I like. I'll be cooking it in the oven at like 390 for like an hour and a half. And when I'm done, I want a little snacky snack. So I'll snap yank that off, have this as a little snack while I'm waiting for this to rest. See? I'm a smart guy, man. Now, if you're lucky, this will just go through easy. I don't know how, I don't know why. That's pretty standard. We just leave it like that. I'm not interested in cutting that in half. I'm not putting in that extra work. You go talk to Timmy the butcher. I don't give a fuck. Then, same thing here. But something about the Ferndales, the joints, well, that didn't really, but sometimes the joints will be connected somehow with the breast, and then it's a pain to try to get them off. But, you know, all in all, it's a good yield. You get a lot of meat out of this. You know, you probably get about 5 pounds of bone, but whatever. You know, if you're smart, you use some of this stuff as soup stock. I'm probably not gonna, but you know, there's a lot of applications. This guy's pretty, you know, that one's got a little flavor to it too. But the final product is a carved bird. Careful with the bone fragments, guys. You don't want to fuck around with those. And you know, moderately a little bit frozen, but yeah, not my best work. You know, you gotta be careful with that. Next time we'll do better. But that is how to cut a turkey, and that is Johnny's Turk-torial. Alright, gang, we'll see you next time. Get a turkey and try the same thing, or if you don't, whatever.